Sit in a relaxed, comfortable position. Close your eyes. Relax your body. Relax your mind. Take a gentle deep breath in. Inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Take one more gentle deep breath in and release. One more gentle deep breath in and release. One more gentle deep breath in and release. Another gentle deep breath in with a smile and release. Dear Divinity, dear Divine Powers, dear Cosmos, dear God, dear Universe, dear Almighty, today I clean all the memories in me that stops me from enjoying my career, that stops me from feeling abundant in my career, that stops me from growing in my career. All the memories of negativity in me, I clean, I clean, I clean. Dear career, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Dear career, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Dear career, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Dear career, I'm sorry. Sorry for judging you. Sorry for competing you with others. Sorry for comparing you with others. Sorry for comparing you with my own self. Sorry for not accepting you. Sorry for not valuing you. Sorry for not looking at the brighter side. Sorry for all the baggages, the unhealed emotions that I am carrying. Sorry for all the emptiness inside me. Sorry for all the hollowness inside me. Sorry for continuously keeping cribbing. Sorry for not feeling worthy enough. Sorry for not valuing what you have given me so far. Sorry for always being in complaint mode. Dear career, I am sorry. Please forgive me for not valuing you. Please forgive me for not accepting you. Please forgive me for all the baggages, childhood baggages, learnings what I am carrying so far. Please forgive me for all that which has to be released is not released so far. Please forgive me for everything and anything which I know and which I don't know, which is creating a blockage, which is creating a hindrance, which is creating negativity in the road of my career. Dear career, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you for making me who I am. Thank you for all the visibility. Thank you for all the success. Thank you for all the happiness that you have brought in my life. Thank you for all the relationships. Thank you for all the networking. Thank you for whatever I know, and thank you for whatever I don't know, which I have to be thankful for. Thank you for everything. Thank you for making me understand and realize that there is still something in me which has to be released. Thank you for being with me always. Thank you for giving me all the happiness. Thank you for giving me all the achievements. Thank you for making me a better human being. Thank you for not judging me. Thank you for always being with me. Dear career, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you, my dear career. The growth path, the success, the failures, the stability. I love everything about you. At energy level, you and me are same. I just love each and everything about you. How come I took all the things for granted, the learnings, the values, the credibility, the visibility, the growth, the success, the power, the confidence that you have brought me? How come I overlooked that? Dear success, dear career, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Dear career, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Dear career, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Dear career, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Take a gentle, long, deep breath in and release any negativity that is still there inside your body and mind and soul related to career. Keep repeating this for 21 days and see the magics and miracles in your life. Whatever blockage you still have will be released, and will be released. Thank you.